Hello everybody, Dr. Mike Sr., the Alkaline Health Coach. Today, I want to talk about being a vegan, okay? And I adapted this plate for this exact fact that I'm going to talk about right now. We have the essential amino acids, okay? With a vegan, you can be missing one of the essential amino acids, which will cause catabolism, which means I'm eating up my own muscles to complete those essential amino acids, okay? It can cause muscle loss, okay? Your immune system compromised, lack of energy, okay? It causes a whole bunch of problems. So a lot of times I find vegans who are uninformed or didn't study it or haven't followed somebody. This is very, very important. Everybody thinks, it's B12. Yes, that's also a small problem in front of this one, okay? It's important we're getting all our essential amino acids. It's really simple to do. All we have to do is mix whole grains and beans or some types of legumes, okay? So here today I have lentils and whole wheat rice, okay? One is missing methionine and the other one could be missing lysine, which are the names of these essential amino acids. So just eating beans all the time, you're going to be lacking it. Or just eating whole grains or pasta and things like that, you'll be missing another amino acid, okay? So you have to be mixing them. And it's not enough doing it once a week, okay? You will still consume your own muscles. Because you've noticed a lot of vegans, sometimes you'll see them, they're super, super thin, okay? They don't have a lot of muscle mass because they are uninformed. Okay, eating extra fat is not going to build muscle. It's just going to help with the fats and sugars. Okay, so it's very important, this fact here. You can also take supplements to supplement the essential amino acids if you're unable to mix these things on a regular basis. But this is an example of it, and this is very important. Okay, so what I'm going to be making today is a burrito. Okay, but with no flour tortillas or corn tortillas. I'm using my cabbage, okay? So now let's prepare it. Ciao a tutti, sono Dottor Mike Sr., the Alkaline Health Coach, ok? Oggi faccio un piatto vegano, però prima di parlare di questo sto parlando con il fatto di veganismo, di fare vegano, ok? Tanti sono non informati, non seguono qualcuno e questo fatto qua che oggi sto preparando cose con le proteine completo, ok? Io parlo di amminoacidi sono le proteine, ok? E abbiamo amminoacidi essenziali per il corpo umano, ok? Per esempio se mangio solo legumi manca un amminoacido, metionine, ok? Se mangio solo il cereale manca l'isina o un altro amminoacido. Okay. Mancando uno di questi aminoacidi essenziali succede catabolism, okay? Not cannibalism, catabolismo, okay? Che io devo consumare i miei muscoli per compensare per quell'aminoacido che manca, ok? So, forse hai visto certi vegani che sono proprio senza muscoli, ok? So io consumerei i miei muscoli, non cercando di avere tutti i amminoacidi essenziali e poi in questo caso basta mischiare legumi e cereale integrale, ok? Oggi lenticchie e riso integrale, ok? Si può prendere anche integratori che hanno gli amminoacidi essenziali. Non è soltanto che consumi i muscoli, i difese immunitari si abbassano, l'energia si abbassa, crea un casino di problemi, ok? Tanti vegani dicono, sì, io prendo B12, sì, B12 anche può mancare, però è più importante questo fatto delle proteine, amminoacidi essenziali, ok? So oggi prepariamo una piadina, senza piadina, uso la verza, ok? Come la piadina, e preparare un stile messicano. Okay, so adesso prepariamolo. So the first thing we do is we get one of these green leaf cabbages. It's not the regular head cabbage, it's the green leaf cabbage. So prendiamo un foglio della verza. Okay, put some rice in it, whole wheat rice. So riso integrale. Okay? Lentils, lenticchie. We got it senza zucchero without the liquid. Okay? So that way we're completing our amino acids. So così stiamo completando amminoacidi essenziali. Okay? So now, questo è quello meglio vegano che avevo preparato, lo aggiungo. So this is that raw vegan mayonnaise I made, which came out a little gray because I used walnuts. Okay? Add some tomatoes, un po' di pomodori freschi, cipollina or i pori, cipolla, okay, so green onions, okay, I like onions, so we're going to add some extra onions. Coriander, cilantro, what you guys call it. Okay, you can also use parsley if you don't like coriander. Okay, but Mexican dishes call for that. Okay. Avocado natura, che guarda, quando è natura, questo è per italiani, è proprio morbida, ok? Se non è natura, non ha sapore. Poi se ossidata è diventato grigio, perde pure il sapore, ok? So we're adding our avocado. I was explaining to the Italians what a mature avocado is like. They're not very, it's a new thing to them, okay? A little bit of salt, pink salt, of course. That's all we use here. Okay. The other thing that would be really good in this is hot peppers or peperoncino. Okay. The peperoncino ci vuole pure. Poi lo chiudi. Okay. Then you just close it on up, and you got yourself a vegan burrito. Okay. Now you have yourself a vegan burrito. So adesso c'è un burrito vegano. Okay, con tutti gli amminoacidi essenziali, and we have all our essential amino acids here. Okay, and it's really good. I gotta take a bite. A little bit of lemon juice would have been nice to add. Okay, ci voleva un po' di succo di limone pure. Okay, but that's good. I have to finish that when I'm done with you guys, okay? So, provi a casa, non dimenticare amminoacidi essenziali. Seguici su Facebook, Instagram e iscriviti sul nostro canale di YouTube. Okay, so don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and sign up to our YouTube channel, okay? And essential amino acids.